This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 8 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleep 6, awning, microwave, LP detector, water heater, skylight, DVD player, smoke detector, oven, external shower, auxiliary battery, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS is 10,721 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.